Hey everyone, welcome along. We kicked off our Ontario getaway with the ultimate classic, Niagara Falls. You honestly cannot visit without slipping into one of those iconic red ponchos and getting right out on the water. The views from the boat cruise were fantastic, especially with the mist rising and faint rainbows popping up. Afterward, we just relaxed on an outdoor patio, soaking in the gorgeous gorge view. Next up, we decided to check out some wax figures and completely lean into the cheesiness. We ended up on a replica late-night talk show set, gave a thumbs up next to the Terminator, and took a breather on a bench with Forrest Gump. From dodging bullets with Neo to wandering into a jungle exhibit with Dwayne Johnson. We could not stop laughing at all the quirky photo ops. Inside the Movieland Wax Museum of the Stars, things only got sillier. We chilled on the iconic red couch with the Simpsons, tested our news skills next to Ron Burgundy, and stood face to face with Darth Vader and Jar Jar Binks. We also ran into some heavy hitters from the comic world, hanging out alongside life-size statues of Superman, Batman, and Captain America. The superhero photoshoots continued in full force. We hit our best crouching web slinger poses right beside Spider-Man under the street lamp, then hung out with Star-Lord and Groot. Getting to stand alongside Black Panther and even a massive King Shark statue was ridiculously fun. We definitely did not take ourselves too seriously, which made the whole walkthrough a blast. Back out on the river, our boat tour headed straight into the thick of Horseshoe Falls. Walking down the dock past Rainbow Bridge, the energy was unreal. Once the boat pulled closer to the churning water, the roar of the falls was deafening and the heavy mist completely enveloped us. It is one of those moments that makes you feel tiny against pure natural power.
According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the Niagara Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of nature. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go in power against the Niagara Falls.
The next part of our adventure brought us to the Minecraft experience, Villager Rescue. We snapped a group shot by the massive mural outside before stepping right into the blocky universe. Holding glowing interactive cubes, we came face to face with a giant creeper and a towering iron golem. Seeing all these pixelated video game characters come to life around us was surprisingly cool. We wrapped up the experience watching massive interactive screens project animated adventures and game stats all around the room. It was such a fun, immersive way to cap off this Ontario getaway with friends and family. From the thundering mist of the falls to all the goofy museum memories, we had an absolute blast. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time